Today I'm going to show you how to use your JenesisNow system in your sales process. First thing you're going to want to do is on your dashboard you will hit add, and let's say we're going to add a client. Now this client is going to be a prospect, so we're going to make sure we have the prospect status in this card. And then if you're working in multiple states, you can choose which state you want in this card or how many you see on the card. I'm going to save that. I'm going to change the name of this card to Prospect. Alright, so I've given this card the name Prospect. Now I'll add another card. It's going to be a client card again. And then we will adjust this one to say quote pending. Then I will change the name of this one to be pending quote. Now I'll add my final card for my pipeline. I'm going to put my client card. I'm going to change this to be quoted, and I'll change my box size. And I'm going to save that. Now I'm going to change the name to quoted. Now keep in mind that you can make these cards for a specific user or for your whole agency. Once your customer is ready to write their policy, you'll just take them from the quoted status and simply move their status on their client view to active. Once you do that, it'll remove it from that card. That's how you walk your customer through your pipeline within your system.